So I worked at Nokona in the sales and marketing department this summer, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. My day-to-day was different because I was able to work in so many different departments within this company because it's so small. I got to work closely with social media, but also forecasting trends and even sewing my own glove. I am actually family friends with the CEO, so I was lucky enough to email him asking for an internship, and he gave me the opportunity, so I went and had a little meeting, and now we were here. My favorite part was being able to see orders go from start to finish. It was so cool to watch production happen and actually watch them make the product right in front of your eyes. And I learned to always ask questions, work with others, and experiment within the department. And my advice for interns next year would be go after what you want. The worst thing that they're going to say is no, so you might as well try.